Are you spending hours on the treadmill, day after day, and still not seeing the results you want? What if I told you that your cardio routine might be secretly sabotaging your progress? This is the #1 worst cardio mistake almost everyone makes, and it's time to stop doing it before it ruins your fat burning and fitness goals. If you're tired of not seeing results no matter how much you sweat, this video is going to change your approach to cardio forever. All right, let's get straight to it. The biggest mistake? Doing long, steady-state cardio sessions every single day with no variety, no intensity, and no rest. We're talking about those 45-minute jogs or endless cycling sessions at the same slow pace. While it might feel like you're burning fat, the truth is, your body adapts fast, and that means your results plateau. Okay, here's the deal. Steady-state cardio isn't bad, but when it's the only thing you do, it becomes a problem. So why is that? Well, first off, too much cardio without strength training can lead to muscle breakdown, and less muscle means a slower metabolism. Also, overtraining with daily cardio raises cortisol, the stress hormone, and high cortisol can lead to belly fat, fatigue, and even sleep problems. Mentally and physically, your body just gets drained. You might even start dreading your workouts, which, honestly, makes consistency a whole lot harder. Worst of all, your body becomes efficient, meaning you burn fewer calories doing the same workout over time. So what should you be doing instead? Here are 3 simple but powerful tips. First, add HIIT. That's high-intensity interval training. Short bursts of intense effort followed by rest. This burns more fat in less time and actually keeps your metabolism high for hours after. Second, mix in strength training. Muscle is your best friend for fat loss. Lifting weights or doing resistance training 2 to 3 times a week can really transform your body faster than cardio alone. And third, give your body time to recover. Rest isn't lazy, it's actually smart. Your body needs time to rebuild stronger, especially if you want long-term, sustainable results. So, if you've been stuck in the cardio trap, now's the time to break free. Cardio is a tool, not the whole toolbox. Train smarter, build strength, add variety, and most importantly, listen to your body. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more fitness tips, and drop a comment below if you've been making this mistake, or if you've already switched to smarter training. And don't forget to turn on notifications so you never miss a video. See you next time.